Let's practice about preposition. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, now, where is your pencil? Your pencil in a pencil case. Great job. Eraser on a ruler. Eraser on a ruler. On a ruler. Yes, great job. Okay, pencil case between ruler and eraser. Yes, great job. Now, scissor under pencil case. Scissor under pencil case. Yes, great job. The last question. Pen, a pen. A pen beside pencil case. Beside pencil case. Beside. Yes. Okay, great job. Now, Najwa, show your best preposition. Okay, which one you want to go first? Eraser or scissor or ruler? In, on, under, between. Most? Okay. Yes? Now you can say it. Most, on, in, or beside, or between. Najwa yang pilih bendanya. Mau yang di atas? Okay. Say it. It's okay. This one, maybe this one. What is this? Pen. Pen. Which one? Pen beside? Mouse. Good job. Now, this is ruler. This is eraser. So, on the ruler. Good job. Next, this is paper. Yes. This is mouse. So, mouse on the paper. Good job. Now, this is ruler. This is paper. So, ruler in under. Yes. Under the paper. Yes. Okay, great job. Thank you, Najwa.